Welcome to MailScan Pro, the industry's leading mail scanning software. Our user-friendly interface was first introduced in 2007 and allows our clients to manage their mail from anywhere in the world. Here's how it works. Each morning, after the day's incoming mail is all put away, the St. Brendan's Isles service team goes to your personal mailbox to determine if you've received new mail. If so, then the new pieces of mail are individually scanned into the system using the latest scanning equipment. A unique barcode label is then applied to each piece of mail. An email is then sent notifying you that you have new mail. At your convenience, go to the SBI member login page and enter your secure username and password. Upon doing so, you are taken directly to your new mail folder. This is where all your mail is stored after the initial scan. On the upper left side of the page, there are 7 action folders. The New Mail folder is where your new mail can be viewed. The Hold folder is a place to store mail for a future action. The Send folder is where you place mail to be included in your next shipment. The Scan folder is used when you want to have the contents of an envelope scanned. All mail moved to this folder will be available for reading as a PDF file no later than the next business day. The Shred folder is where you put items that you want securely shredded. The Not Mine folder is used in the event that a piece of mail appears in your box and it is not yours. The Archive folder is where you put items that you want to securely shred the original hard copy but maintain the digital copy forever. There are 2 ways to move your mail between folders. If you only want to move a few items, click on the button below the envelope that denotes the folder you want to move the item into. For example, let's move this UPS envelope from our New Mail folder to our Hold folder. Note that once the button was clicked, the item was immediately removed from the New Mail folder. If you want to view the item, just click on the Hold folder. It is now available for viewing in that folder. If you have several pieces of mail to move, it can be faster to move the items in bulk. You can do this by either selecting the small checkbox next to each item you want to move, or click the Select All Items box, and all the items in that particular folder will be marked. Then click the drop-down arrow next to the Move Selected Items to field, and highlight the folder you want the items to move into. Again, note that the items have been removed from the New Mail folder to the Hold folder, and the quantities in each folder have been automatically adjusted. Now let's click on the Hold folder and view the items we just moved. If at any time you want to view the contents of an envelope, just click Scan, and the item is moved to your Scan folder. Upon receipt, the SBI service team will open the envelope, scan the contents, and post the PDF file into your New Mail folder, adjacent to the corresponding envelope. All this will be accomplished no later than the next business day, guaranteed. To read the content, just click on the PDF icon. This requires that you have Adobe Reader 7.0 or later. After reading the content, close the PDF file. After closing the file, you can then decide to hold, send, or shred the item. Keep in mind that typically you will not need the original of a document. In those cases, you may then decide to save either the digital PDF copy to your hard drive or print a hard copy for your files and then move the item into your shred folder, where we will securely shred the item. Over the years, our studies have shown that clients using this technique to manage their mail reduce their annual shipping costs on average by 75%. Secure shredding of unwanted mail is a real advantage to MSP. Why pay postage for those unwanted catalog and mailers? However, to help you ensure against unwanted errors, when clicking Shred, you will be asked to confirm your request. This is just another example of how the MailScan Pro software was designed with you in mind. There are other features built into the MSP software to enhance your using experience. Each has been designed to meet a variety of different needs. For example, if you would like the thumbnail images to appear larger, allowing you to see more detail, or appear smaller if you have a slow connection, just select a size from the Thumbnail Size drop-down menu. All your images are automatically resized. If you want to view an enlarged size of a particular item, just click on it and it will fill your screen. When it is time for a mail shipment, Mailscan Pro makes it easy. First, move the items you want sent into your Send folder. To view the items in your Send folder, just click on that action folder. To create a shipment, just go to the navigation bar and click on Shipments. From the drop-down menu, click on New Shipping Request. You then complete the various fields. Once completed, click on Submit. You will then be automatically taken to the scheduled shipment page. On this page, you'll have an opportunity to review your order to ensure everything is accurate. If everything is in good order, then your order is completed. If there is an error, just click Delete and re-enter the correct information. If you have shipped to this location before, the addresses are stored for you. Just click on the address, enter the shipping method and date. Once completed, click on Submit. Once again, you are taken to the scheduled shipment page for your review. Another feature allows you to create either a one-time shipment or a repeat shipping schedule. For a one-time shipment, the type field defaults to once. Then click on the calendar and select the date you want to send your shipment. If you want to create a repeat shipment, click on the type and select weekly or monthly. For a weekly shipment, select the frequency, day of the week, start date, and end date. If there is no end date, leave it blank. For a monthly shipment, select monthly. Select the days of a month you want a shipment, for example, the 1st and the 15th, then select the start date and end date. Again, if there is no end date, leave it blank. Mailscan Pro, developed by St. Brendan's Isle, is the industry's leading mail scanning software. Designed with you in mind, it's easy to use, compatible with all devices, mobile-friendly, and accessible anywhere in the world. Sign up today.